tó bá kọ́ lo mákindé yẹn lásán kó má fi general sí because ó wá bí lion ó wá ń kọrin bí ewúrẹ́ àbí bí ẹ̀fọn ìwọ ló ń fi Jesus ṣeré o Jesus is not taking you but you are playing with Jesus you know what you are doing yourself you are playing with Jesus o
it's not
ìwọ ló ń fi Jésù ṣeré ìwọ ló fi Jésù ṣeré o.
Would Jesus like that?
Looked at your
Is
eyes.
this what he died for?
He didn't look at you for once.
Because he was just off. Rick just they look like wonderful dish. I had fun today.
Yeah, it was good.
You know, there were highs and lows. There were some people that gave us, you know, and then there were some people that were really, really, really good. Right?
At the beginning, Oriko come for me. But later on, it was. I mean,
yes.
But all in all, it was. I mean, it's interesting.
Fantastic. Yeah. And it was so good to have you. Uncle Nice was just giving us parables. Sorry.
Mama.
Nice
Thank
was
you,
just
Mama.
giving us parables after
Uncle
parables.
Nice, Senior Nice, Daddy Nice.
I don't worry.
He was like the farmer in the jungle when you hold the knife in
He said you can have talent, but you're not talented.
See, wait. We need to have you in theater week. Are you gonna come?
I'll be here.
Oh, fantastic!
I mean, I'd love to go through this with you once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Such a pleasure.
Awesome.
Such an honor.
And today I know it.
Yeah.
They talk. They put pepper for person body.
No, I'm very quiet too. I mean, I'm quiet. I'm not.
Once we meet for sure, don't give me that vibe again. Give me this vibe.
Because if we meet for sure, just say, we're going to talk.
We go sit down somewhere. The next time we go to give them.
Fantastic.
As long as you come for theater week,
I'll be